All right. So question was what is the actual pricing? So in this example, this is the investor plan. So the way this works is you come here, you put in the coupon code. Basically, you go to the pricing page. Let me go back here. My pricing page. This is if you're already logged in, actually, or try. I think if you're logged in or already in a trial, you can just go straight to pricing page. But if not, you just go straight to the home page, sign up. It will take you here. Start the trial, or just subscribe to the pro plan, depending on whatever plan you're on. Put in the coupon code that we'll send out during the newsletter. I mean, to our newsletter, most likely tomorrow, but definitely by Friday. So you have to be on the newsletter. Go to tokenmetrics.com/newsletter, put in the coupon code. It will only work between Friday and Monday, between Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So this will get you 40% off. So it will show you the discount. Right now, there's no coupon code, so it's just showing the regular discount for the yearly plan. But basically, you're getting that discount plus the 40% off, right? So if this is 809, you're getting 40% off of this. So it's actually a pretty large discount if you factor in this other annual discount. So definitely the best time to add Token Metrics to your investment research portfolio, because having the best research helps you out long term, right? So that being said, be sure to do that on Black Friday.